Hello everybody, Jeremy Latham here. Just thought I'd give you an update on what's happening at the Nuffield Hospital in Challenger's Ford next week. We're starting clinics again on Wednesday. I'll have an all-day clinic on Wednesday. The procedures that we're going to be using will be different because of COVID, and I thought it would be a good moment to run through those with you if you're coming to clinic or hoping to come to clinic in the next few weeks. These new procedures and pathways will be in place for some time to come, perhaps for the foreseeable future. Here's a slide of the guidelines that we're going to be adopting in clinics. We expect you to arrive no more than 5 minutes before the appointment. If you do arrive a bit early, best to wait in your car until 5 minutes before the allotted time. You can't bring anybody else into the building with you unless it's really essential. Clearly, we'll have to take a view on that depending on how much assistance you might need on the day. But the days when we could bring your partner and relatives into the outpatient clinic and the examination room, I think, are over for the time being because of infection control measures. Everyone will wear a mask, including me, and you'll be provided with a mask when you arrive in the clinic. Social distancing measures will be in place throughout your visit, and the staff are well versed in these now and will show you exactly what to do, where to sit, and when to come into the room to come and see me. I'm sure you'll have questions and concerns. If you've been to the clinic before, things will be very different when you come the next time because of all these measures. If you've got any questions, please do either phone the office or contact me via my email address or through the website. I'm looking forward to welcoming old and new patients in clinics over the next few weeks and going forward. Obviously, it's a very difficult time for all of us, particularly patients coming into an environment that is unknown to them, but we're doing everything we can to make things safe for you. Please keep in touch. Thanks for watching.